Number 1 says write each number in expanded form. So I'm going to start with the 2, and since it's in the 10 millions place, times it by 10 billion. Plus, move to the 1, since it's in the million spot, 1 million, plus the 7 is in the 100,000s place, plus the 5 is in the 10,000s place, plus the 6 in the thousands, plus the 8 in the hundreds, plus the 3 in the tens, plus the 4 in the ones. And you can put parentheses around it to make it easier to see, but you do not have to. B has 311,019. So this one, I'm just going to write 300,000 plus 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 0 plus 10 plus 9. You could also do it like the previous one or use exponents, however you would like to write it in expanded form. Number 2 says estimate and then solve. So if I were going to estimate, I would turn this into 30 and this into 27,000. So I'll take that 0 away and that 0 away. I know 3 goes into 27 9 times with the 0 left over. So my estimate would be about 90. Now it says to actually solve. So 31 goes into 27. You can't do it. So you have to see how many times 31 can go into 273. So it goes in about 8 times. So then 31 times 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 3, 248. Now I subtract. 3 minus 8 you can't do, so you have to borrow. 13 minus 8, 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then bring down the 1. Now I have to see how many times 31 can go into 251. So I know 8 times is 258, so it goes in again about 8 times. So that is 248. Subtract. I can't do 1 minus 8, so I have to borrow. 11 minus 8 is 3. 4 minus 4, 2 minus 2. So your remainder is 3. Number 3 says find the volume using length times width times height. So it would be 5 times 2 times 7. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 7 is 70. So 70 inches cubed. Number 4 says rewrite the height of each student in inches only. So Juan is 5 feet 4 inches. We know 1 foot is 12 inches. So we have to do 5 times 12 plus 4. So 5 times 12 is 60, plus 4 is 64. So Mary Lou is 4 feet 11 inches. So again, 4 feet times 12 plus 11. 4 times 12 is 48, plus 11 is 59. Then it wants to know how many inches taller Mary Lou is than Juan. So again, Juan is 64, Mary Lou is 59, so Juan is 5 inches taller. Number 5 says write greater than, less than, or equal to. So we have 2/3, and we're going to take away half. So we're going to take away all this half. So we know that that is less than 1/2. Then we have 3/4 plus 3/8. So to get from 4 to 8, multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. So 6/8 plus 3/8 is 9/8. Therefore, 9/8 is greater than 1. 3/4 minus 1/2. I can change 1/2 to 2/4. 3/4 minus 2/4 is 1/4, which is equal to. Number 6 says the swimming pool is open 8 hours a day. The pool manager must divide the team equally into 5 groups: camp, swim team, swim lessons, family swim, and open swim. How much should she allow for each group? So I have 8 divided by 5 groups, which equals 8/5, or 5 goes into 8 one time with 3 left over. So either one, 8/5 or 1 3/5 is fine.